everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelley-ann Henry. And before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and yeah, come over and join me over here. Great things are happening, great and wonderful things that I can't even tell you about. You gotta have to come and join. So if you are just gliding through YouTube and you just come across this girl, boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes, because I need you to come over here and join the family. We are a slow growing family, but we're growing anyway. So for those of you, so let me just get straight into this video. For those of you who have been following me, you know what my videos entail. You know, I'm talking about life, living back in Jamaica. For those of you who are new here, you're new here, and so you don't know much about your girl. So I am somewhat what they call a returnee, living back home in JA, and so I do a little, videos on how I find living back in JA. Now I said how okay? Can't speak for everybody, so I speak for myself. Okay? So I just give you what I find, how I find it coming back home after so many years living abroad, and how I'm coping with living back here in beautiful sunny Jamaica. Now I did a video on Sunday, I think it was Sunday, and in that video I was a little bit gloomy and bloomy, because I was talking about something that we encountered because my husband eyes weren't doing so well, and the whole idea of getting an appointment, how long that takes, and that was a little gloomy. But today it's an upbeat video. It's an upbeat video. So in this video, it's Christmas, couple days from now. Oh, that mosquito. Oh, by the way, I almost always have a mosquito bat. Where's my mosquito bat? I carry it down, Where's my husband gonna put it? Take out the mosquito bat. And then something that just hurt me. So anyways, as you know, yeah, that was a little bit low energy kind of video because I was just making a complaint. I was more like a little rant and rave kind of thing. But anyway, I'm not going to do that today because you know what, we have enough crisis going on around us. We're dealing with so much. We're dealing with a pandemic, and in that pandemic we're dealing with mental issues. Some of us are going through some real attack from the enemy, really real, some attacks that you have never known that would have come your way. You have to be dealing with, and you gotta have to be praying your way through it. So I don't want to bring no more gloom and gloom. I just want to bring a little bit of sunshine in your life. So since I'm in the sunny island of Jamaica, that's what we're gonna do. So in this video today, as I said, Christmas is around the corner. So one of the things that we love to do as islanders is shop. We have grand market, the 24th, the day before Christmas. But I'm a 70 Adventist, so I'm gonna go to grand market. And plus, we're living in a new era now where people buy stuff online. So I'm gonna be talking to you about that. How, because that's one of the things I was worried about. I was like, so Shelly, when you go back home, how are you going to get your stuff them online? You stuff them off Amazon, you stuff them off, different stores that you find online. And yeah, so that was a really worried for me until I discover that Jamaica has really gone with the wind fabulous. Because now we've got local shipping agencies that set up your account for you, an American account, and you buy your stuff and they ship it for you. And when you get here, of course, you have to pay you have to pay a cost. Some shipping agency here, they do it according to weights, and others, I guess they just, I don't know how they do it. So one of the shipping agents that I use is Shipwise. I haven't personally signed up on one. I'm using my cousin's address, and she also have one which ShipX. And so yes, so as I say, it's Christmas, so we love to shop, and I've put on some weight, since the baby, put on a lot of weight, And so for me, getting clothes is an issue, because you know when you get bigger, you don't really want, I don't really want to show up my chicken wings or my chicken thighs and my cow foot them. I don't want none of that. So I want things that hide my problem area. My problem area is my tummy. So one of the things I live in is t-shirts. One, because it's baggy, it's flowy, and not only that, it's cool, because you know my hot in other place. So t-shirt has become a woman's best friend for me. I never know I would live in t-shirt like this, girl, because back in the days it would be t-shirts for the gym, or that's it. But now I love t-shirt. I live for t-shirt. So as I said, I'm gonna share a little haul with you today. Yes, 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 yes. I know you're probably looking at all these books and going like, the girl must be bright. I never read any of these. I haven't read any of these books. They don't belong to me. They belong to my dad-in-law. But I should get into reading. So I'm gonna share a little bit of a little haul with you. It's not a big one. I've just bought some stuff off Shein. Now many of you would know about Shein. You know, that shop, you know, you get things cheap and cheerful. So I'm gonna be sharing with you what I got and how I find it. Now I have bought off Shein before. Why is this camera keep doing that? Do you see me guys keep going like that? Oh, I don't know why. So I hope it doesn't come out in the video. I hope. Ugh, okay. Anyways, so I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I got off Shein. I have bought off Shein before. Yeah, I did. I bought a dress and a few little things, because again with Shein, for those of you who probably have bought off Shein, you know you have to be precise. You have to know your size. And because the girl put on some weight, that was a bit of a struggle for me. So let's get straight into the haul. All right. Me already go and unpack them because I am so curious. So this is not an unpacking all where we're both discovering the items together. I've already discovered them, but I'm going to share with you. So for those of you who are here in Jamaica and you want to buy stuff, and you know, and the thing is the video just keeps stopping. I don't know why. It's annoying me. But anyways, I let me just apologize. I don't know what's going on with it. It keeps stucking. You seem to keep going like strike a pose. That's why it keeps doing. So anyways, for those of you who are living here and you know you're thinking, how can I get stuff? Yeah, you can go and find ShipX or ShipWise, one of those, and you sign up, and it doesn't cost you anything. I think you sign up online. Okay, you sign up online. I'm gonna do mine and then I'll let you know, because as I said, I use my cousin's because she's already signed up. So I just use her address, and again the address, the shipping company, they'll create I think a Miami, Florida shipping address, and the things go there, and then it ships to Jamaica, and you get it. Yeah, maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depends. So if you want things for Christmas, make sure that you go ahead and do it before. So yes, as you can see, so let me start out by showing you. I bought some jeans. No, I've never bought jeans off Shein, and a belt, because I needed some belts. I was really running short. Sorry about that. I tried on the jeans and the belt wasn't it. The thing is with the belt, it's a bit tight, because the girl, as I said, I still got weight on my tummy area, but I'm still got to squan with it. I don't think it's gonna last because of all the pulling and shoving, but guess what, it's really nice, guys. I hope I'm showing it right. It's really nice. It's a really nice belt. The material is really nice, so I like that, but unfortunately it wasn't my size. But I'm gonna still wear it, and then I'm gonna try and buy some more of there. I hope you can see this jeans. It's a white jeans. At first I didn't like it. Didn't like the foot. I don't know if I'll buy jeans off Shein again. But I will wear this. My husband showed me how I can wear it, because I didn't like the foot. I didn't like the legs. They were a little bit. I hope. Ooh, this is bad. Okay, let's focus. Let's focus. Yeah. All right. Yeah. The legs were a little bit not the type. I guess I'm used to those tight jeans. But lately I've been having problems with my legs and thighs and my whole left side. So maybe it's all them tight jeans that I've been wearing over the years, because I have truly been wearing a lot of tight jeans. So I think I'm gonna hop for more mommy jeans thing. Yes, so as we're doing this, you know, we're in the Christmas season, and a lot of us, we're going through difficulties. Life can throw some stuff at us, isn't it? This year, last year, the ending of 2019 has been a year indeed. And we're still going through things, and some of us have lost loved ones and all of them stuff there. So it's been a year. And as I said, for some of us, we're struggling with mental health. I am. But that's another video. As I said, I don't want it to be gloom and gloom. So let me wish you a Merry Christmas. Let me wish you a Merry Christmas. Big up. Let me wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. Anyway, also, back to my all. I got this headwear. It's beautiful. But, guys, let me tell you about it. You can't wear it with your hair out. It actually pull your hair out. I don't know if you can see. You see the inside of here? There's some little studs. It can grab your hair, so be careful. I think I'll wear this when I do my hair for my birthday. I'm gonna put some braids in. But it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. There we go. I'm gonna try and take it off. Just gonna wear it throughout the video because I don't want to pull my hair out. Yeah. So I also, a girl gotta look good. Also got myself some nails because I like getting my nails done, but I don't know if I'm gonna put nails on because I have the baby and stuff. And not only that, I've been ruining my nails by putting nails on. So I'm gonna try these these paste on ones. They look good. They look alright. And also I got myself some little funky slippers. Funky. What do they say? This one says "Take Me Away," and there's some chips and juice there. Yeah, girl, like a chips and juice. And this one is "Love." Wow. Yeah. So this is just a little thing. I also got these white sandals as well, but they don't really fit that much. My foot doesn't set in it properly. Can you see that? Yeah, I like them. I was hoping to have them to wear around the holiday season. Might have to give those to my niece. One thing I love is glasses. These are medical glasses, but I love sunglasses. I live for sunglasses. One of the reasons is because I used to love wear jewelry, and then when I became a Christian, I stopped wearing jewelry. So I intend to buy accessories. So glasses, scarves, headwear, and stuff like that. They are my accessories. Bags, you know, watches. I'm not really a watches girl. I'm not really a watch girl. One or two watch is good for me. One or two good watch, and the rest glasses and them stuff. That's me. So I got these glasses. Aren't they just nice? Let me try. Let me put them on. Let me see. Aren't they just gorgeous? So yeah, I bought these. I'm feeling myself already. Like, yeah, are you talking to me? And these are from Shein. I like them. I do. I saw them and I like them. This is one of the things I like to buy off Shein. It's glasses, because you can't go wrong with them. And you know, since I had the baby, I got bags. So girl gotta how did I set my glasses before so that the light doesn't penetrate, so it doesn't, you know, I don't remember. Oh god. My husband did it for me, because there's a way of setting it so that you guys don't get distracted. And I'm so sorry you're gonna be distracted. So yeah, that's one of the things I love about Shein is their glasses. Yeah, accessories Shein is good at. I also saw this little bag. Isn't she a cutie? I think it was there are a lot here in Jamaica, but I saw it and I liked it. You know, it's very small, but at first, yeah, that's focus. At first I thought it was bigger, and then when it came, it was just a tiny little thing. But I'll wear it. I can put my little coins and stuff in there and wear it. I might wear it to shop tomorrow. Go to the supermarket. That's all I go. Really. Well, my cousin started to take me out, so I'm getting better to get out of the house, because that's one of the things when you get back here is going out. You're kind of and this is my next belt. You seeing that, guys? I don't know how to focus this thing. Okay, there you go. That's my white belt. Again, this doesn't fit really well. It's still a bit tight, but I like it. I like the details on there. Yeah, and I bought it, but still gonna try and focus and get in there, jump in there. But I also am gonna try and lose some weight. Yeah, after the Christmas, I try this. Okay, over to the t-shirts. As I said before, I'm a love t-shirt. So I got myself 3 t-shirts. And this one says Simply Blessed. It's just a simple white t-shirt. It's a simple blessed. I think this is a medium. Yeah, a medium. Perfect. Normally I go for large, but I thought, girl, let's go for medium and stop beating up yourself for putting on a little bit of weight. You know, you didn't put it on because you sit down and I eat the yam and the dumpling. You put it on because you had a baby. So that happens to most of us. There's another one. It's just a simple letter, the letter A, and some roses on there. Yeah, I think I could dress this up with another pair of jeans or something I can find. And that's t-shirt number 2. And then t-shirt number 3 is this one. And this one is just a little butterfly. It says force of nature, stay wild and brave. Yeah, there it is. A little butterfly going on there. Sorry guys about the light in my glasses. I took it off and then I can't remember how I fixed it so that you don't get that glare. So I'm so sorry. I'm sorry guys, but bear with me. That's the things that what else did I get? What else did I get? Oh yeah, I got these slippers as well. I like a little fur slippers. I got these in blue. Yeah, got those. I hope you can't hear the walking upstairs. Yeah. You hear all that noise? I hope the noise doesn't sound in my video. Sure. I'll be so gutted. I'll be upset. So yeah, I got those. What else did I get? Oh, I got a pair of shorts, but I didn't take those. I didn't carry those shorts. Those were just normal shorts to wear around the house. I also, oh yeah, I got this watch. Can you see it? It looks like an Apple Watch, doesn't it? It looks real. But no, it was off Shein. How much did I pay for this watch? I can't even remember. But it was even $20. I don't even think it was $10. Sorry. It was a muzzy on my foot. Sorry. So yeah, I don't think it was even $10. Look, it's nice, isn't it? I needed a watch so badly and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a watch. So I saw this and I looked at the review, and the review that I've read say it's really nice, and it really is. I'm not disappointed. And I got this ring. Can we just look at it? Is that way? Can you see it? So, okay, it's not focusing. It's very pretty. It's like a rose gold. And this again was cheap, very cheap. I got it because sometimes I might want to change my wedding band to something else. Sorry guys, I'm scratching my nose. So I got that just to cheer me up for the holiday. So yeah, that's what I got. I don't remember getting anything else. One of the shorts upstairs. So yeah, this is all I got from Shein, my order. I got a few stuff for the baby, but I didn't get those off Shein. I got those off like Pat and Amazon for him. Didn't get anything for my husband because again, my husband is quite sorry guys, my husband is just he's quite simple. It's quite simple. I will try and get in some stuff off Shein next time, and then I can show you what for the men what we got. So yeah, these are just some of the things that I'm doing to enjoy my Christmas. I know not everybody are able to do this, and if you are, some people probably have already bought a bunch of presents, but these are the presents for me, to myself, from my husband pocket. To myself. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video was a little bit more upbeat and fun. Yeah, fun. So just enjoy your Christmas whatever way you can. I know that for some of us we're still not going to be able to be with family as we would like to. So just, you know, I know it's hard. You probably want to see your loved one. I know I wanted to see my mom for the Christmas, but that's not gonna happen this Christmas. Next Christmas, by God's grace, it will. So just enjoy your Christmas. I hope you enjoy my little haul. I hope I made you smile. And yes, I wasn't talking about anything much about Jamaica today, but I shared a little insight about, you know, how you can get your little goodies when you come here, you know, and you're worried how you're gonna get your stuff. You know, you just sign up with extra shipping or Shipwise, and I think there probably more, but I know of those two. Yeah, and you order your stuff, it comes to them, they send you a notification, they send you an email, I think, and they tell you the cost, so you know exactly how much you're going to pay when you get there, and you walk with your money. I think you have to walk with an ID. My cousin husband is the one who collected my stuff because the address is in his name, so I think you have to walk with an address, identification. I'm not quite sure about that. And then that's it. I mean, these were not cheap when they come on the island. To me, I was pretty taken aback. I was like, oh, because this was like 7,000 something. So that was a lot of money, and I only spent like 90 something US dollars to buy everything. So those are just a little goodies, little stuff that I'll just randomly put on when I'm going to the supermarket or going to get my hair done, you know, just to look a little bit festive and stuff, and my little headband to just glitter me up and stuff. Yeah, girl. Maybe next time I'll buy shoes off Shein, and I'll share that with you to see how it comes out, how it fits, and maybe maybe next time dresses and stuff, like really nice summer really dresses. I'll try and get some of those next time, and also try and get some off Amazon, and I will share that with you, man, just to lighten up things and just to be happy, because we have enough stress. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. As I said, at one point the video was doing a little bit of so please forgive me. I don't know what was going on with it. I'm not the technical person, so I don't know. I think my husband will tell me, but I don't know nothing. He will tell me what it was. So again, thank you so much for joining your girl over here on my channel. Please, can you share my channel? Please, can you like? Please, can you subscribe? Please, can you leave me a comment? And also, please, if you can think of anything that you would want me to do, that you would want to hear from me, drop it in the comment box below. I will look at it and I will think about it and I will do it. So thank you so much, and happy holidays and happy new year when it comes. And don't forget to sanitize, wear your mask, and walk in faith as much as you can. Pray, because with man things are impossible, but with God nothing is impossible. Lots of love. Until next time, bye.